It's your boy DK, aka Nickel.
Lil Nick.
Get it.
I said, you don't see that the key to my rhyme play is not to play with my rhymes. I'm conceited like Kanye with my big toys. Erykah Badu, the big boys. It's basically have them looking like Andre. You see the wig on him when I pull the cig on him. I leave him where you can see through him like lingerie. You Jay-Z's and JD's could try and copy. You got a so-so Def Jam, you like Foxy. You the Popo's yes man, you like Potsy. Your rap days ain't happy till you spike Poppy. I'm quite cocky, clear enough to spit them flows. I'm geared up to hit them goals like ice hockey. I piss when I pin it, take a shit when I spit it. My sentence just too authentic, so take a whiff and admit it. The rich Willie, swinging my dick silly, king of the city, making the millies and still chasing the kitty like a dog.
They gotta make it work somehow. Nickel gotta make it work somehow. Work somehow, work somehow, work somehow, work somehow. Big proof, you know we gotta make it. You know we gotta make it. You know we gotta make it work somehow. You know we gotta make it work somehow. You know we gotta make it work somehow. To tell you the truth, we doing this for proof. He say let's make it happen, now I'm in the booth. They say they live and prove, but I'm here to prove that I'm keeping his word, and that's the fucking truth, yeah. I beat you ass on my vocals when I need 5 microphones and 4 clones of staffers, these are tones. I got 3 whips to dome, 2 homes and a gold throne. Don't tell me to watch a throne, man, I'm watching my own. My bars are impeccable, no need to double check. Get off my dick and stop asking for triple sec. Shout out to Triple Threat, we ready to take over. Who won't beef when we in it like Buffalo Clover? I ain't no fucking jokester, but I can make you look stupid without even trying to be like, is that nigga Homer? So don't even bother calling me a suicide bomber. I make it face turn purple, call me Capacitor Karma. DJ gotta make it work somehow. Nickel gotta make it work somehow. Work somehow, work somehow, work somehow, work somehow. Big proof, you know we gotta make it. You know we gotta make it. You know we gotta make it work somehow. You know we gotta make it work somehow. You know we gotta make it work somehow. Work somehow, work somehow, work somehow, work somehow. Big proof. Work somehow, work somehow, work somehow, work somehow. You know we gotta make it work somehow. Work somehow. And the beat goes on, and the beat goes on, and the beat goes on. Yeah, it's your boy, DK. We got Slaughterhouse, D12. Keep it ready, keep it going. Hey yo, I don't wanna force nobody to listen. If you don't like it, then cut it fucking off and stop bitching. It's still there, then I guess you like it, now listen. I'm not beefing with you, how can I beef with a chicken?